Bills na lang ba talaga yung buhay ko? This is the point in your life na parang nababurnout ka na because of stresses on how to live your life paycheck to paycheck. Kung pera ay isang biyahe, nasan ka kaya ngayon? Hi, I'm Coach Jason and I work with young professionals pagdating sa money management nila and how they handle it properly. Kasi ako personally, na-experience ko din naman paano magsimula ng tama. Nahihirapan din ako at first, no? Talagang ang daming challenges. And I feel that if this problem can be solved, no, with a guidance, mas magkakaroon ng linaw paano magiging successful, no, pagdating sa profession because wala kang stress pagdating sa money management. And that's my mission today, no, to share with you some insights and wisdom on how to handle your finances properly. I created Kapit Kaalaman kasi I want you to have a space that you can learn and at the same time you can listen on some strategies, no, or steps that can help you elevate your life and your finances properly. Lahat tayo ngayon nasa iba't ibang stage ng buhay. Merong nagsisimula pa lang, may maraming opportunities. Baka nasa trap zone ka na rin or nahihirapan. No? And my goal today is help you understand your situation and maybe help you navigate this journey properly. I think, no, lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa point ng buhay na natin na parang nasa starting line pa lang tayo. Ito yung time na may bago tayong trabaho, may bagong opportunity sa atin, and excited tayo for our first income. The problem is, dahil nagsisimula pa lang tayo, hindi pa rin natin na-establish yung sistemang fit para sa atin. Wala man lang tayong budgeting technique. Nakadepende lang tayo dun sa alam natin at naririnig natin sa parents natin. No? And somehow, ganun din naman talaga ako nagsimula. Swerte lang dahil kuripot ako by that time. No? Pero hindi rin pala siya ganun. And I can relate with you, no, on this journey, no, na nagsisimula pa lang. Or maybe, andun ka sa part ng buhay mo ngayon na sobrang bilis naman ang mga pangyayari para kang nasa fast lane. Ang daming opportunities, ang dami mong kinukuhang side hustle, which is really very uso, no, ngayon sa ating mga young professional, yung tinatawag na hustle culture because we are conditioned that we need to really have more sources of income. But the problem is, pumapasok nga yung pera, dumadami din, no, yung pinagkakagastosan natin or what we call lifestyle inflation. And doon din tumataas yung stress natin because naapektuhan tayo dun sa judgment ng ibang tao, sa pagkukumpara, and the likes of it. No? So, akala natin okay na kumikita lang tayo, then enjoyin yung life, no? Yung mga tinatawag naman nilang you only live once. No? But, it's very important as well na we can understand how to navigate this fast lane properly because an opportunity na hindi natin na maximize ng tama, baka lalo tayong mahirapan at ma-stress lang din lalo pagdating sa pera. Or maybe, no, nakakalungkot man, but maybe you're at the point in your life that you're running out of gas, yung tipong nasa biyahe ka na, pero parang unti-unti ka nang nauubusan ng gasolina. This is the point in your life na parang nababurnout ka na because of stresses on how to live your life paycheck to paycheck. Yung parang bills na lang ba talaga yung buhay ko? Yung tipong hala, sa sahod na ako pero alam ko wala na rin akong maitatabi dito. Or maybe you're at the point in your life na nababaon ka na rin sa utang. Hindi mo alam paano ka magbabayad sa naniningil sa'yo at ang gagawin mo na lang ay uutang ka at uutang ka ulit. And this is a very stressful situation that a lot of Filipinos experience. No, and I hope, no, and I pray na andito ka man sa point ng buhay mo ngayon is this video can help you navigate this situation in your life as of today. Nagbago lahat ng perspective ko pagdating sa finances because I understand that if you want change in your life, you need to be intentional in your decisions and in your growth. kailangan matutunan natin at least yung basics pagdating sa finances. How to budget, how to monitor our cash flow, how to spend properly, how to grow our income and our investments. No? And also, very important that we have a system in place pagdating sa finances natin. Because without it, napakahirap. And lastly, as we navigate our life's milestones, as we navigate our journey pagdating sa finances, we need to have a proper alignment, no, with the right wisdom pagdating sa pera and align it with the right values that can help us navigate it properly. Ginawa ko ang Kapit Kaalaman to journey with you. Yung tipong alam mong may nagga-guide sa'yo, may napapanood ka, na pwede mong pagkuhanan ng inspirasyon at kaalaman pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng iyong finances. Asan ka man sa buhay mo ngayon, nasa fast lane ka man, nagsisimula ka pa lang, or nandun ka sa point ng buhay mo na nahihirapan ka na, I want to be with you, no, to navigate that journey. Kahit nasan ka man ngayon sa life's journey mo, no, mas madali itong i-navigate kapag marunong ka pagdating sa financial planning. And to our next episode sa Kapit Kaalaman, pag-uusapan natin paano nga ba at bakit mahalaga matuto pagdating sa financial planning. Please follow and subscribe Kapit Kaalaman. And tara, kape tayo ulit.